Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GBP category optimization process easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Business Profile account. Select the specific location you want to optimize. Navigate to the Info tab on the left-hand menu. Locate the Categories section within the Info tab. Click on the pencil icon to edit your categories. Begin typing your main category in the search bar that appears. Select the most relevant primary category from the suggestions. Next, scroll down to the Additional Categories section. Click on Add another category. Type in additional relevant categories that apply to your business. Ensure these categories accurately represent your products or services. After adding your categories, review your selections for accuracy. Once satisfied, click Apply at the top right corner. Wait for Google to process your changes. Keep an eye on your profile to ensure all categories are displayed correctly. Consider updating your categories periodically to align with industry trends. Regularly monitor your business performance and make adjustments as needed. That completes the process for optimizing your GBP categories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.